hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new or you're watching me for the first time, which essentially is the same thing. Actually, that was really stupid. But please subscribe if you haven't already, because honestly, it would absolutely make my day and I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Today's video is something we have all been waiting for. I am finally going to be filming my Lush Valentine's Day haul for 2022. I bought the entire range, as I do for every collection. In case you guys are new to my channel, I buy every Lush collection in full, pretty much every single time, to haul for you guys. If you ever want an in-depth review of every single product, come to the channel, you will find it. The Mother's Day range will be coming soon, hopefully. But yes, I have bought the whole Valentine's Day range. I haven't even unboxed it. I am so excited to dive in. I'm going to have to open the Lush website on my computer to go through ingredients, because I don't know the ingredients for everything. I didn't really look into it because I didn't want to ruin the surprise of the sort of scents, if that makes sense. So yeah, gonna dive in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item is the Valentine's Day shower gel for this year, and unfortunately it isn't Prince Charming, which is one of my all-time favourites, but this year we have the I Can Resist Everything But Temptation shower gel, which I guess is just called the Temptation shower gel. But this says it's a red apple shower gel, and it says, I wanted to eat all of the fruit in the trees in the garden of the world, and so indeed I went out and so I lived, which is an Oscar Wilde quote, and I love that. That's so cute. And ingredients wise, in this one we have got red rose petals and ginseng infusion, rose, what does that say, centifolia? Not too sure what that is, if I'm being completely honest. We've got apple juice, we've got resinoid, I think that says, orange flower absolute, cinnamon leaf oil, apple cider vinegar. I am so excited to give this a smell. In terms of price, so this is the 100ml or 100g bottle, I should say, because I'm trying my best to cut down on my collection, which is hard when you buy them all, so I always buy the small ones, and this was £7. But you can also buy a 250 bottle for how much is that, £14, and the 500g bottle, which is 23. So let's have a smell and see what this smells like. Let's go. Oh, that smells really good. Not how I was expecting it to smell at all, but that's really lovely. It's hard to describe how this smells. It's definitely appley. It kind of smells like how I would imagine a Body Shop apple lip balm to smell. Does that make sense? Really sweet, really appley. That's really lovely. Can I say really one more time? But that is honestly beautiful. I love the smell. Really fresh, really crisp, really clean, and yeah, so really happy with that. Love that. Moving on to the next item in the box, we have got the Hot Lips Lip Mask and Scrub, and on the packaging it says, prepare to pucker up, pamper, mask and scrub your lips with almond oil, carrageenan extract and bamboo stem for cherry bakewell flavoured kisses. It does smell exactly like cherry bakewell. Very similar to the Kiss lip scrub we had a few years ago. Smells, oh, it smells really good. It smells like cherry, like ice blasts, like a cherry slushy. That's delicious. This cost £3, and in a normal scenario I probably wouldn't purchase this, just because I feel like I probably wouldn't necessarily use it so quick, but I obviously wanted to get it for the video. In terms of ingredients, we have got calendula petal and hibiscus flower infusion. We also have bamboo stem extract, carrageenan extract, davana oil, lime oil and almond essential oil, and that is what it looks like. Smells delish. Smells like, if you don't have Tango Ice Blast where you're from, it basically kind of smells like a cherry, like Jolly Rancher sweet, or like a cherry drop sweet kind of vibe. Really good though, absolutely love the smell of that, 10 out of 10, delicious. Next up we have the Valentine's Day soap for this year, and that is the New Rose soap. Now when I put up the spoilers and things like that on my channel, I did get a lot of you say that you kind of hope that it comes in this shape and you don't really like the slabs. Now I'm not gonna lie, quite controversial. I like the slabs. I find them a lot easier to use than a shape like this, because when you're using it, it will always be like a triangle. I don't know, I much prefer having a kind of square piece. It's just easier. However, this is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, the kind of like sheen on these colours on the top. It also says Lush on the back, which is absolutely adorable. I love the look of this. It's got pieces all throughout and it's absolutely stunning. Smell wise, not what I was expecting at all. Very fresh, definitely more of a gardeny smell. I will obviously go through the ingredients. For 100 grams, which is this size, this was £7. And ingredients wise, this one has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, rose water, rice bran oil, aloe vera gel, lavender oil, orange oil, rose absolute, ylang ylang oil, rose hip oil, and I think that's everything. But this is beautiful. I love the look of this. I would prefer it if it was square. That's just my personal opinion, but I do really love the design on the top of this. It's just absolutely stunning. And yeah, very fresh. I've definitely smelt that smell before, for sure, but I can't pinpoint it. So if any of you guys buy any of this and you have very good scent memory, please let me know what this smells like, because I can't remember. But it is good, very fresh, love that. Next up, moving on to the bath bomb, which I think I was most excited about, and that is the Love Bug bath bomb. Now, if you guys don't know, a Beetle is my ultimate dream car. I have always wanted a light blue Beetle, or I would settle for a cream one, but I've always wanted a Beetle for years. Like, Herbie is my ultimate dream car, do you know what I mean? Like, I absolutely love it. And when I saw this that was coming out, I was absolutely just so excited because it's just so cute. This is adorable. This is £5 as well, so it is somewhat of an expensive bath bomb, but I feel like all their bath bombs are around £5 now. Again, that has a smell that I've definitely smelled before, which is really annoying because I cannot remember smells very well. Sherbety almost. Again, if you know what bath bomb this was, please let me know, because it's definitely been a bath bomb before, 100%. Ingredients wise, this one has lemon oil, orange oil, rose oil. It also has cornstarch, talc and all that kind of stuff, but those are the main scents. And again, I think it was probably a Valentine's Day bath bomb, I'm not gonna lie, but this I have definitely smelled before, 100%. Like, I'd put my money on it, but I cannot remember what this smells like. But this is what it looks like, absolutely stunning. Has a cute heart on the side. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love it. So 10 out of 10 Lush, absolute fave. Delicious. The next item is the shower jelly for this collection, and this is the Strawberry Heart Shower Jelly, and this retails for £5. Ingredients wise, this one has got carrageenan extract, organic aloe vera gel, fresh strawberry juice, lemon oil, lime oil, howood oil, jasmine absolute. So I have no idea what this is going to smell like. I kind of want it to smell really strawberry-y, but I don't know if it will with all those extra ingredients. The only thing with this that I have mentioned already in the previous video is that I don't necessarily love the design because it looks like a real heart as opposed to a cartoon heart. That is just me being really picky, so I'm going to open it and give it a smell. Let's see what it smells like. I'm not going to get it out because I'm wearing a white t-shirt. My bed sheets are white, my bottoms are cream, and I feel like it's just going to be a disaster. Let's see what this... Oh, it looks like the jellies that you eat, you know. Whoa, okay, that smells unreal. Like, it's giving me major, like, nostalgia. It smells... Okay. This is going to be so weird. This smells like a mix of the strawberry shower gel from the Body Shop and like strawberry soothers. Do you have soothers where you're from? The throat sweets? It's got that smell to it, which I know is so weird, but please smell this and tell me if you agree. It smells good, like it smells really good. It is strawberry, but it's more, I don't want to say synthetic strawberry, but it's definitely got some other notes to it other than just strawberry, but that is really nice. And I also love the fact it's not all like, you know when you get some shower jellies that are leaky and gross, this one isn't, so I love that. So yeah, I really like the smell of it actually. I would definitely pick it up if you are a shower jelly kind of person, definitely pick it up. It's really, really good, but it's not how I pictured it would smell. Does that make sense? Imagined it would smell, not pictured it would smell, but yeah, really good, love that. The next item is a bubble bar, and that is the Kim the Carrot bubble bar. Now, when I first made the video of all the leaks and the spoilers and stuff, I had no idea what this was referring to, but apparently it's supposed to be Kim Kardashian. Not really sure, but it would make sense, I suppose. But this one is £6 and it doesn't feel reusable. It feels more of a crumbly bubble bar, I think, from the texture anyway. That's kind of what I can gather. Ooh! Yeah, we've definitely had this smell again as well. What is that smell? It smells delicious. It's very sweet. Ingredients wise, this one has benzoin resinoid, vanilla, carrot juice, ginger root. We've definitely had that before. Price wise, this one is £6. I'm not sure whether I said that, but I think that's quite reasonable. It is quite a big bubble bar. You could probably get at least 3 baths out of that. But it has got a very familiar smell. Again, I can definitely remember this smell from somewhere. But that's really good. Really fresh, really crisp. Yummy! Oh, I'm really impressed with this collection so far. I thought I wasn't going to love it. Oh my god, my hands have gone orange. I look like I've just eaten a giant bag of Wotsits, don't I? Let me try and wipe this somewhere, bear with me. The next item is a bath bomb, and that is the Mr. Lobber bath bomb. I did think this was going to be bigger, I'm not going to lie. I think just because of the intricacy of the design, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, maybe sort of up to maybe here or so, but it is still really, really cute. I love the look of this. This one was only £3.50 though, so actually it does kind of make sense that it's smaller, but definitely worth £3.50 in my opinion. Really lovely size. And ingredients wise, this has Tonka Absolute, almond essential oil, benzoin resinoid. I think that's basically it. Let's give it a smell, see what it smells like. Again, I have smelt that smell. What is that? That smells really good. Very light, subtly sweet. Oh, it's going to really annoy me now. What is that smell? Again, if you know what this smells like, please let me know. We've definitely had this smell before, but it smells beautiful. Very subtly sweet, but really, really nice at the same time. I love that. It just reminds me of Friends, you know, with Rachel and Ross. I just love that so much. So yeah, 10 out of 10 Lush. Oh, it smells delish. I can't stop smelling it. And last but definitely not least from the Valentine's Day range is probably the biggest and heaviest and most expensive bath bomb I've probably ever bought, and that is the Big Aubergine bath bomb. Now, when they said this was a big bath bomb, they weren't joking. This is it side by side to my face. It's absolutely massive. It weighs probably as much as a small child, like it's quite weighty, and smells delish. Again, I've smelt that before. Wait. It's 29 High Street scented, isn't it? Oh, so good. 29 High Street is supposed to be the smell of a Lush store. You can only buy the perfume from Paul. It's delicious. Unreal. This big boy cost £10, which is insane considering this whole haul cost me about £55, including postage, so a fifth of the price for this one bath bomb. In terms of ingredients, we have got bergamot oil, Howood oil, Cuba oil, Tonka Absolute, fresh aubergine apparently is in here, which is insane, didn't realise. Yeah, 29 High Street scented, absolutely massive. I cannot even describe to you the size of this, like it's absolutely insane. I will definitely be cutting this up into probably 3 pieces somehow, because I'm not spending £10 on one bath, but yeah, big, massive aubergine. No idea what Lush are doing, honestly, but smells nice. So that is everything for the Lush Valentine's Day range of 2022. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know down below what of the range you were going to purchase, or what you would like to purchase, or maybe things that you didn't like. I would absolutely love to know. I'm always replying to comments after the video goes up, so let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on the range. I am actually really impressed with the range, I'm not going to lie. I feel like this was probably quite unnecessary and quite expensive. However, the rest of the items I'm really excited to use, especially the Love Bug bath bomb and the shower gel and the soap. Oh, I just love it all. I think it's a really good range this year, so 10 out of 10 Lush. I'm very, very impressed. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, please don't forget to subscribe and join my corner of the internet. I would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.